Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can skew text boxes in your website project on the Webflow website designer. So let us dive into this. In the first step, guys, navigate to the page of your website project you would like to edit, and after that, in the next step, left click into the text box you would like to skew. After that, navigate to Style here on the right hand side and expand the Effects tab. After that, what you want to do is expand 2D as well as 3D transforms or transformations by clicking into the plus button here. Below you will see these four options: move, scale, rotate, and skew. Switch to skew and use these two axes here, the X and Y axis, to adjust the skewing effect, and you will see the effect here to the left. So let me use that slider. And as you can see, the text is being skewed, and you can do the same for that slider below. And that's how you do it, guys. So you can find your preferred skewing effect, the intensity of it, and switch back to move, for example. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.